Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Flow. I am Sarah, and I am so proud of you for making it to day 2 of our 20-day shadowing challenge. Today, we are focusing on home and chores. These are everyday phrases you will use to talk about your house and daily tasks. Just like yesterday, I will say a phrase, and then I will repeat it. After the second time, you will have 4 seconds to repeat it out loud. Remember to copy my rhythm and intonation. Let's keep the flow going. I need to do the laundry today. I need to do the laundry today. Can you help me wash the dishes? Can you help me wash the dishes? The living room is a bit messy. The living room is a bit messy. I am going to sweep the floor. I am going to sweep the floor. Did you take out the trash? Did you take out the trash? I need to water the plants this afternoon. I need to water the plants this afternoon. Let us open the windows to let some fresh air in. Let us open the windows to let some fresh air in. I should clean my bedroom this weekend. I should clean my bedroom this weekend. Can you put these clothes in the closet? Can you put these clothes in the closet? I am making dinner in the kitchen. I am making dinner in the kitchen. Please wipe the table after we eat. Please wipe the table after we eat. I am going to change the bed sheets. I am going to change the bed sheets. Where did you put the remote control? Where did you put the remote control? I need to vacuum the carpet right now. I need to vacuum the carpet right now. Did you lock the front door? Did you lock the front door? I am going to relax on the couch for a bit. I am going to relax on the couch for a bit. We are out of milk and bread. We are out of milk and bread. Let us watch a movie in the living room. Let us watch a movie in the living room. I need to organize my desk before I start studying. I need to organize my desk before I start studying. It is time to turn off the lights and go to sleep. It is time to turn off the lights and go to sleep. Fantastic job! You just completed day 2. Consistency is the key to fluency, and you are doing great. For today's homework, tell me in the comments below, what is one house chore you really hate doing? Write your answer in English, and I will be reading. If you liked this practice, please subscribe to Easy English Flow, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you are ready for day 3. Keep practicing, keep flowing, and I will see you tomorrow.